Hello guys, it's Hope and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing an Easter weekend vlog. I really hope you enjoy the video.
I was not. Well, I guess I was.
My favorite rapper this time of the year would be the Easter Bunny because he's really into hip hop.
Oh, good. The brown sugar mixture like hardens. I'll link the recipe in the description. This is really good.
After breakfast, it was time for me to start getting ready for the day. I brushed my teeth, did a little bit of skincare, and then got ready to go on a run. I ran for 15 minutes, or almost 2 miles. I just remembered I danced today because we have a competition coming up, so I'm going to change really quickly for that. After dance, I made chocolate Oreo egg truffles. These are some of the yummiest treats ever. I will link the recipe in the description. I definitely recommend you try them out. Not too long later, it was time for dinner. The weather was nice enough so we were able to sit outside. After that, I finished up some math homework and then got to bed. It's Easter! Of course I am. Hi. I just spent like 1.5 to 2 hours typing a paper for Bible. Yay. But I'm finally done. After finishing my essay for Bible, I had cheese ravioli for dinner, plus another chocolate egg. I then put away my laundry and started to get ready for bed.
Okay.
Alexa, play Beautiful Dream. Alexa, dark. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!